Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is cashback Amazon. So the cashback amount depend on the product purchase and exact cashback amount could be mentioned on the product page. The offer is valid for prime customer only and applicable on prepaid modes of payment or select products. Offer is either applicable on cash on delivery nor card on delivery payment. Cashback will be credited in a form of Amazon Pay balance within 72 hours after the item are dispatched. For orders with exchange or no cost EMI, the cashback will be added on Amazon Pay balance in 20 days post shipment of the product provided the item is not cancelled, rejected or returned. If the order is dispatched in multiple shipments, the cashback could be credited proportionally as each shipment is dispatched. For example, if you buy two products, A of 1500 and B of 1000. So in the same order you can eligible for cashback of 500 and the product get shipped separately. You will receive a cashback of 300 when the product A is dispatched to you and the 200 when the product B is dispatched. The offer is valid only from 14 October to 17 October. Amazon Pay offer applicable only if purchased from the seller Cloudtail India. So if you see the Amazon Pay cashback offer in special offer provided on the product detail page of a product, the product is eligible for cashback offer via Amazon Pay balance issued by Quicksilver Solution Private Limited. You will be able to view the terms and conditions for each such as offer on a product detail page. You need to undertake the action and meet the eligibility criteria as described in the offer message and subject to the terms and condition of the offer. You will get a cashback credit in a Amazon Pay balance via Amazon gift card. Note the Amazon Pay cashback offer is only available on prepaid orders. Frequently asked questions: when will be cashback will be credited at Amazon Pay balance subject to the terms and conditions of each offer. Amazon Pay balance will get added directly to the eligible customer account within 72 hours after the shipment of the product. Amazon Pay balance can give you the view here. For order the exchange of no cost EMI, the cashback will be added to Amazon Pay balance in 20 days most shipment of the product provided the items is not cancelled, rejected or returned. Where can I see if I have got the cashback in Amazon returned? Where can I see if I have got cashback in Amazon Pay balance? Eligible customer can check the credit received on their Amazon in account under the balance statement at here. When they sign into their registration account, please note account the account gets the credit will be the same account that purchased the product and the can't be transferred or exchanged. When I ask, I used to same cashback in Amazon Pay balance. The cashback in Amazon Pay balance can be used once it has been credited to the account. This could be within 72 hours after the product ships. Is there any limit to the number of cashback I can get? Each customer can receive a cashback only once a particular product. Can I redeem the cashback in Amazon Pay balance for cash? No, Amazon Pay balance cannot be redeemed or exchanged for cash. What happen if it's return a product which I had received a cashback in the form of Amazon Pay balance? If the cashback in Amazon Pay balance has been credited to your account, it will not be cancelled if you return the product. When you return the product, the remaining value of net of the cashback amount will be refunded to you based on the payment method. Please Note that if the product is refused at delivery for prepared order, this could be considered similar to a return.